Alright, so, hello everybody, this is the Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today. I might also post this video on Break-In GR and or. Um, the topic I'm going to talk about is, this is a JT Splatmaster or JT Prime helmet. Headgear or whatever. The reason why I have this with me is not because it fits on my head perfectly. Put it on. Like so. It is not that, it's because I'm going to an Airsoft match tomorrow. I've already made plans, there's no point of turning back now, but the idea is that I'm going to be doing airsofting with my friend and his friend. I'm going to record some of it, I might not put it on Nerf Gun Reviewer, but if I do, I'm sorry, ahead of time. If I don't, then apology, not going to be transferred to NGR, but I might put it on Break-In NGR or some other channel like that. Maybe Twin Swords if I'm lucky. The only airsoft gear I have currently is M1911, the little laser attachment with a little flashlight and a little laser, and I think this is like a 14 round magazine, 13 round magazine. Fits pretty well in here. I shouldn't dry fire it, I know, but I just want to show this is like the only airsoft gun I have that's currently working. I like this pistol a lot, I do, but I do realize that I can't get an airsoft gun now because A, it would be a waste of time because I would have to wait for it, or I would have to go to a store and buy it, and in store right now it's currently a lot of money. I don't have that kind of moolah with me. Hear what I said? Moolah. But anyway, I am going to be posting a video of it tomorrow. I'm going to be making the video tomorrow with a few friends. One of my friends and his friend. So like a friend kind of thing, and then we're just gonna have fun with airsoft. I'm gonna mention this one thing and only one thing. I've never been to an airsoft match, nor have I ever been to a public Nerf war. So I don't know what to expect. I might not even like airsoft, but it's like I usually tell my friends and family, trial and error in real life. You gotta try new things. Sometimes you might like it, and sometimes you may not. So it's best just to try, like I said, do some trial and error. Ooh, this piece broke off. That's not good. That's not good at all. Anyway, that is it. They also said, strange enough, they said if I could use, I asked my friend if I could use Nerf weapons in an airsoft war. You can, except the exception is you gotta use LARP weapons, like foam melee weapons, swords, shields. Well, not shields, but swords, axes, battle maces, whatever. They all count as a hit. And I currently have a battle axe. I have a real sword, a short sword, and I have this, the Bowie knife kind of thing from Nerf. And a axe that is completely destroyed, but it still works properly. I have a few pairs of gloves, knee pads, arm pads, and I will get a review done for this. The blaster sleeve it's decent, but it works. And I think that is it. And some headgear, of course. Technically I have 3 pairs of headgear, but I got this one because it was 20 bucks and I thought I'd get it. So this is like a perfect prop too. It's airsoft and it's a good prop. So I just like doing that. It's a force I have it. So yeah, so depending if I like the airsoft game or not, or an airsoft match, we're also gonna get there a little bit early. And in case you are an airsoft fan and a Nerf fan, or a little bit of both. Okay, so sorry, let me rephrase that. If you're an airsoft fan and Nerf fan together, If you're like both a Nerf and an Airsoft fan, or just an Airsoft fan but follow my channel, I'm gonna be at the Airsoft match that is happening tomorrow on my birthday, which is kind of sad, but oh well. At least I'll be spending my 18th birthday somewhere else instead of home. And yeah, it's gonna be in Owego, New York. It's like 20 minutes away from this house, the log cabin. I think it was like 445 Miller Street Road or Miller Beach Road or something like that, Owego, New York. And hopefully it's fun. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you are nearby in the Owego or Endicott area, I guess if you have the time or the patience or the money or whatever, there's a $20 admission fee. If you like Airsoft, you might see me there. If not, and you just want to come and see, that's fine or whatever. But I don't know what I'm saying. So, like I said, it's in Owego, New York. Like I said, 20 minutes away. And I don't know what the field's gonna be like since it's my first time going. So I'm pretty excited. At the same time, if I post the footage on NGR331, I've pretty much betrayed Nerf. But then again, I've already made reviews on this and the Beretta, so I think it's fine as long as I don't post lots of it. If I post little bits of it, like if I post like a good montage or maybe like a video or two, then it's perfectly fine. I might get a few hate comments like, well, why did you switch to Airsoft or something? I'm trying something new. That's my answer. I'm trying some things new, and Airsoft is one of them. I tried paintball. That was pretty good, I guess, until I started wasting all the ammo. Airsoft's a little bit different. I know it's going to be painful when you get shot at, but good thing you're only getting shot at once, and then you call it a hit. Same with Nerf, but Nerf doesn't hurt. But without further ado, I will end this video now. What we get? The hell? Oh, it's this Nerf show. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the Nerf Gun Reviewer 331. Signing off for today. Pretty ironic since I said Nerf and this is Airsoft. So, see you guys later.